Welcome to the Audi Service Center, where performance meets perfection. From the moment you arrive, every detail is designed for comfort, efficiency, and trust. A seamless parking entrance and professionally managed service area ensure a smooth customer journey. Our team is committed to delivering world-class automotive care using advanced systems and expert craftsmanship tailored to every Audi owner. Relax in premium comfort for Audi owners. Every procedure follows strict safety precautions to ensure complete protection for your vehicle and our technicians. Vehicle excellence is driven by precision engineering, expert diagnostics, and uncompromising quality standards. Comprehensive tire services and quality checks enhance safety, stability, and driving comfort. Our high-tech wheel alignment bay delivers superior balance and precision handling. Certified engine system experts ensure optimal performance and long-term reliability. State-of-the-art collision repair systems restore vehicles with factory-level precision. Precision factory paint and premium detailing deliver a flawless final finish. Our experts are trained to manage advanced high-voltage systems with complete confidence. Professional high-flow car wash systems deliver outstanding cleaning performance. Detailed car wash and finishing services leave every Audi looking showroom ready. As the future of mobility evolves, Audi continues to lead with intelligent charging solutions. Ultra-fast DC charging technology powers the next generation of Audi performance. Convenience and efficiency in every charging experience. Driven by innovation, defined by excellence, trusted for every journey. Audi.